Same day, same day, same day, same. Don't know. There's another chapter and verse in Genesis, the book of Genesis, which is chapter 11, verse 6. The Lord said, if as one people speaking the same language, they have begun to do this, then nothing they plan to do would be impossible for them. NgesiXhosa ithi wathi uYehova yabona abantu banye bantetho nye bonke bephela inqalo ke leyo kwenzeka kwabo kaloku abayi kunqatyelwa into abayicingayo bangayenza yabo qala igama elide esiXhoseni bayantuntuntune bayinqaka yabo but andifuna uyisa ixesha. So if people come as one, speak the same language, not like xa ndithi language andithi China, Xhosa, Sotho, Zulu, Swahili, Indian, like same language, same tone ke uba okay that's what we want for our country. Umzekelo ngumzantsi nanso sifunayo for ilizwe lethu yabo, so senza le sonke one people yabo. If people speaking the same language, they have begun to do this, then nothing their plan would be impossible against them. If thina sililizwe le-South Africa mhlawumbe sifuna ukuba nenkqubela phambili progress, we must speak the same language yabo, so that nothing would be impossible for us. So ke ngoku that's why singayi phambili forward. I'm speaking to a country forward as a country as a whole, because why? We are not speaking the same language. Asithethi ulwimi linye. We're not in the same. There are a lot of debates. Someone's. Oh, I think someone's breaking into my house, but okay, there are a lot of debates here. Okay, this but if we speak the same language, nothing will be impossible for us, because sithi naso yenzekayo nathi sisebenze bakwenzeke le nto engiyithethayo le nto nje sonke sibonana ngayo, nothing will be impossible. So I think the verses also speak to unity, about unity. People united can't be defeated, yabo. No matter the gender, the religion, race, no matter the race, yabo. But okay, yeah, you see. So ke ngoku unity. Bone khona imizekelo uthanda uyenza abantu ezimovie intwana. Cinga xa yi-1. Ndithi yabuya yabo. Like to do a practical example, batsho is movie bathi bona ucinga xa yi-1 nango yabo into 2 pieces, but ke ngoku thwana but ke ngoku as a whole, as a collective yayiqonda no cause, but as a collective yabo nanti yeah, it's impossible. But it's impossible now. United to stand, united we stand, divided we fall. Yabo. Dango, that's the message I wanted to speak today. Dango, amen. Because we Dango.